Hello there, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's still your girl Ololade Afolabi. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have come with a very nice topic which I believe you are going to like. But if you are coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos. And if you have been here for long, I say thank you so much and I love you. Keep staying tuned. Yeah, what do I have for us today? Today, I want to talk to the children. Children, please listen to me, no matter your age. As long as you're somebody's child, listen to me today. Yes, please, children, let me first say this. If you're a child and your father is still alive, you're very lucky. Yeah, you don't know what God has done for you. If your father is still alive, that man that gave birth to you, if he is still alive, you're still lucky, because I want you to listen to this video today, listen to what I have to say today, and you're not going to regret it. Children, I want you to love your father the way you love your mothers. Yes, love your fathers the way you love your mothers. Men too, they are going through a lot. Your fathers too, they deserve your love. That thing your mother keeps telling you about your father, did you try your best to find out if it is true or not? Did you ask your father, Father, my mother told me so thing about you. Is it true? Even if it is true, it is left for you to decide, oh, okay, let me just tell my mother to forgive my father and let go of this hatred that is on her mind. A day is going to come in the future, you are going to get old too. How would you like it if your own child, if your children are treating you the way you're treating your father presently? You see, I am not mentioning mothers. It is because I know that children tend to love their mothers a lot. Yes, it is true. So, but fathers are really, they are just, children tend to neglect their father later. They show more love. They show more care for their mothers than their fathers. That is why I keep mentioning fathers on this channel. On this channel, I keep teaching on fathers loving themselves and children loving their fathers. If your father is still alive, go to your father, hug him the way you have never hugged him before. Hug him, prostrate, sit with him, gist with him. Dad, how have you been coping all these years? Dad, how have you been surviving? Dad, how have you been holding this family together? How have you been able to provide for this family for all these years? Don't you get tired? Dad, how can I help you? How can I calm your nerve? Massage him. Massage his legs. Put his legs on your laps. Massage him. Show him love. Show him care the way you have never cared before. Show him love the way you have never showed him love before. Let him feel loved. In his mind, let him wonder, what is going on with this child? Why are you showing me so much care today? In his heart, he will be crying. Some of them might even cry and you see the tears that, wow, my child, you are doing something you have never done to me before. You are showing me the care and affection that I have been expecting for years. See, just try it. Prove me wrong. My name is Ololade. Prove Ololade wrong. Prove me wrong. If your father doesn't feel emotional if you do this thing I told you, then come back to this channel, come back to this page to insult me. Fathers are expecting love from us. Fathers want us to come to them and ask them questions and show them that we care and show them that we appreciate all their efforts, everything they have been doing for us is all these years. They want to hear it from you. All you do from your father as a university child, as a university student, is ask for money, ask for, have you ever one day just wake up, pick up your phone and call your, hello daddy, how are you doing? How was your night? Daddy, I just want you to know that I love you so much. I want you to know that I appreciate all the efforts, all your efforts on me. I appreciate everything you have ever done for me, Dad. And I promise you that I am going to be a good child to you. And I am going to pay you back for all your hard work, for everything you have been doing since I was little. Just do it and pray for your father. That father will show you much more care. He will give you more than you expect. Please, I'm begging you, children, show love to your fathers, not just your mothers alone. Celebrate them without any reason. Buy gifts for them, celebrate them, hug them, tell them, Daddy, you are loved. Daddy, I love you. Daddy, you are important to me. Daddy, you are very, very important in my life. Daddy, thank you for bringing me to this world. Daddy, you are not alone. Daddy, I see all your struggles and I promise to be there for you when I'm capable enough to give you too. Just try it and see how emotional that man is going to be. Yes, try it. It's going to be so emotional that even you will feel, oh, why have I not been doing this to this man before? Why have I not been showing so much appreciation for this man before? Just try it. And the kind of prayers and the kind of things he's going to say to you, because I know he's going to feel emotional and bless you one way or the other. And you will see that all those blessings are going to manifest in your life. They are going to show in your life. Your father is going to pray for you from his heart, from the depth of his heart. And those prayers are going to manifest in your life. Don't forget, stay tuned to this channel and you are going to see more and more of my videos. And remember, I love you all so much and I still remain your humble girl, your humble friend, your daughter, Ololade Afolabi. See you guys in my next video. Love you.